Today we're gonna destroy this car. The reason why is because the wheels don't move and it has sand in there and we can't get it out. So we're gonna smash it. This is NCOD. National Club is Destroying. And 3, 2, 1. Time to smash it.
Ah! It came to me. Oh, that one's hard too. It flew under the van.
Under the van.
There's a wheel.
Ah!
Whoa! Where'd it go?
Over here.
It landed right there. This is a... Oh.
Now where'd it go? Over here. Found it.
You can't do this forever. Whoa.
Now we're gonna do under.
It keeps flying everywhere.
Yep.
I think that's probably it.
Okay.
And that was us breaking our car. NCOD. Watch us more videos on YouTube.